So in this video, we're gonna get a phone number so we can get ready for both voice AI and for us to be able to take calls and communicate with our tracking number. So let's start by going to settings. We're gonna get a phone number. So we're gonna go to phone numbers. And then in here, we'll see our phone numbers. We're gonna go to add a phone number. And we'll add a phone number. So we don't want to get any phone number because we're a local business. We want to get a number that's local to our area. So in this case, this business is in Dallas. And sometimes in big cities, you don't get the popular numbers. So we're going to go off and search for Dallas area codes because big cities tend to have more than one. Okay, so there's the 469. And let's go back and try that. So instead of 214, we'll try 469. First part of number and apply. Okay, and there we go. So this is what it will cost you per month for this number, $2.88. So not a big deal. And actually, we do give you credit back. No matter which plan you have, you get credit back to cover the cost of things like the number and some voice minutes and some AI minutes. So we have lots of 469 numbers. We can just pick the one we want. What about this one? 2599. I like that. 1215. So we can pick the one we like best. Go from there. I like this 25991 one. So we'll go ahead and choose that one. It literally doesn't matter anymore. Nobody remembers numbers. They just look them up in Google Business. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed to buy this number. And I'm buying it on the behalf of the customer. So I cannot do this. So the customer actually has to do this. So this is why I'm making this video for you guys. So you can see that when you purchase your number, you got to do verification that you are who you say you are, because the FCC doesn't want you spamming people, especially as a business. So I won't do this step, but this is how you would buy your phone number. Once you have your phone number, you can attach it to your voice AI and you can attach it to your business, your Google My Business, and you have a full-on marketing tracking number. Okay, thanks for watching.